Okay, so we've got all of these done, 2 of these. So let's look at the rest. I grouped these by what they did. Now this red doesn't appear to be used, so I, of course, put it off by itself. The brown and the black go to the speaker, and these 3 are the volume control. So let's do volume control. Just like the other thing, I want to be able to go all the way to the other side of the panel. I want to experiment with this, so I want to be able to move the stuff around, and at some point I'll finalize the design and shorten all these cables to custom to whatever case it ends up in, but for right now this is the case I'm using. This is the volume. Green wire to the ground tab, yellow to the hot, orange wire to the wiper. Okay, orange wire goes to the wiper. Let's go ahead and get that in place. I always hook these. I always put a hook in these so I can hook them and help them stay in position better. Now with the iron, I didn't tin either of these. I'll just set the iron on there. There we go. That looks good. Yellow. Yellow goes to this end. I could probably do yellow and green at the same time, but then you start fighting with it and it's just not worth it. Green. And we'll hook that also. So, probably not the neatest thing in the world. So now I've got all of this stuff together. I have volume control and on off. See, that orange is kind of in the way. So I'll just insert this. Okay, that comes through enough, but they didn't give me a nut for that. Nope, no nut for that. Now, part of the challenge of this case is everything across this bottom goes in between the board and the front panel, and has most of it goes under it actually. Okay, so if I want this to work, I have to get a different pot right there. There's just not enough physical space. When I checked to see if it fit, I checked the red. I didn't check that this was that far out. So I might do something different there, just don't know what yet. So let's take that out. See if the rest of it fits. Now those speaker, these have to go under the board. So that actually is going to work, except for that. I got to get a smaller 10K. The rest of this is okay. When I figure out what I'm doing with this, I'll route all those cables a little more neater. But for right now, let's just see what we've got. We've got that won't fit. It'll fit up to here, but this back piece, it's the on-off switch that won't work. And I have a feeling that's what this is. on-off switch. I can move that. I can move the on-off back there, but then I still have to get another piece that's shorter, and I probably have a 10K piece that'll fit this. The part that's in it, this is a 10K. I've got to match that. If not, all of my volume control will be on one side, or I won't have the whole volume control. Okay, uBitx version 5, first power up. Got power, it's a 5 amp power supply. Plug it in. Turn it on. uBitx version 5.1, lower sideband, 7150. Even though it looks like hell, and I haven't finished it yet, it works. So I left the on-off switch in this volume control because that's what it came with. But in reality, I'm moving the on-off switch back here and putting in a different audio. Hey guys, so I got the case and I've started to put this together. This is the on-off switch volume control that comes with the kit. It's 10K, so if you have a 10K, you can substitute it. So I've done a lot of work off camera. I replaced this with one out of my junk box, and it seems to fit pretty good. It had a knob, and I just kept it. It doesn't match this one, but it looks okay. Okay, I got some old computer speakers. Gateway's been out of business for a while. I really don't have any illusion that I would hear signals on this with a dummy load on it, but I feel better knowing that the volume control works and there is a little bit of something coming out of the speakers. So let's give it a shot. Static, that's kind of good, but do I have a volume? Yes, I do. So the volume works okay. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.